So I got this package from LBC today and gusto ko lang i-cover yung pag-unwrap ko sa package na to. Actually, this is my passport kasi I applied for a Schengen visa 8 years after I traveled to Spain. So, hindi ko alam kung approved yung visa ko. I'm very nervous kasi kahit na director ako, our job is unstable. So, I don't know if they're going to say yes to me being fit to travel to Europe. But I'm excited kasi I really want to go to Spain. Yep, I want to go to Spain. I think I deserve it after working so hard since last year. Non-stop actually since umutya ng Section E. So, I badly did this break. I worked hard for this. I'm not a contractor or a crap politician. I work hard for this. So, kahit na hindi ganun ka laking savings ko, I just really want to go to Spain. So, lahat ng to, napuntahan ko tong country na to. Itong madagid lang na ref magnet yung hindi ko napuntahan. But niregalo sa akin ng friend kong si Rose. And so, nanggigigil ako. Kailangan lahat ng nandito napuntahan ko kaya Spain. You're probably asking why Spain. Yun po yung pinaka-reason. Aside from the fact that my close high school friend Sanda lives in Vitoria Gasteiz. And my college friend and Mother Melhab Junap Sparks Camp is based in Madrid. So, wish me luck, guys. Tingnan natin. Woohoo! Lord, I'm so nervous. I am so effing nervous. The tension is real. Okay, so my old passports are here, but the most important thing is the new passport, and I think it's the passport in the middle. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Let's see. Oh my god. How would I do this? Wait. Ba't ganito to? Grabe naman yung pag... So, paano? Ito. So, let's see. Oh. Old passport. Nasa gitna ang new passport. This is the new passport. So, I applied for a multiple entry visa. Pero okay na ako kahit single entry lang. Tung. Ba't wala? Lord help me, Lord. Ito na. Multi-entry visa po. Multiple entry visa, guys. So I can actually get to travel from October this year to January next year. Multiple entry. Proving ko. Single entry lang magagamit ko dito. But at least multiple entry. Kung may pera kayo dyan, i-treat nyo ako ng travel sa December, January, pwede din. But what does this mean? This means I'm traveling to Spain. Vamos. Oh God, thank you, Lord. See you, Spain. Hi guys, so eto na ako ngayon sa Dubai. Haba ng flight from Manila, it's like 9 hours. First time ko dito sa Dubai pero actually nasa airport lang ako. So, andito ako ngayon sa Starbucks waiting but at the same time working. I'm still on work mode kasi kailangan ma-approve yung online edit ng Ghosting episode 1. So, sana nanood kayo. ng episode 1 guys kasi bakasyon ko talagang hindi todo bakasyon dahil nagtatrabaho pa din. But ayun, so I'm excited. I wanna finish this para naman diretso bakasyon pagdating ng Madrid. So yun, so work muna tayo, opo. Hi guys! Andito na rin ako sa Madrid. Nasa sasakyan na ako papunta sa bahay ng host ko na si Mother Mela ng Sparks Camp. So ayun, pero bago kayo isama sa mga ganap ko dito, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa dalawang mga ahensya na tumulong sa akin. First, yung Orient Twin Travel and Tour. Tuwing meron akong travel, sila talaga yung pinapabook ko ng tickets ko. Yung Schengen visa ko dito, insurance, finding the cheapest tickets, care of sa kanila sa Orient Twin Travel and Tours. Kaya thank you. And of course, sa Klook, dahil it's a long haul trip, hindi ko na kaya mag-train pa papunta sa bahay ng host. So, nag-book lang ako ng private airport transfer through Klook using my promo code, Boborol Klook. At gamitin nyo yon para naman makasave kayo. So, kahit na medyo mahal siya compared to metro train ticket, dito na ako. Di ko na kayang makipagsabayan sa trains in a long haul flight. Gusto ko mag-relax para yung energy ko mapunta sa mga activities gagawin ko dito sa Madrid. Ang ganda mo.
Ano ka ba?
Thank you.
Bienvenida.
Gracias. Gracias,
Ako na to,
Mela.
direct.
Ako na. How are you?
I'm excited to see you.
Of course, I'm excited to see you too. Dami natin chichikahin.
Nako, oo. Ang fresh mo, ha?
18 hours, be. Ganito pala yung sacrifice mo.
Yes, 18 hours.
Grabe.
So, nag 2 hours ka lang sa Dubai.
Mm-mm.
Oo. So, 18 hours ang shortest.
Oo.
Yan ang shortest.
Ayan ang shortest.
Yan ang shortest. In-inspire mo ako to go back to content creation again.
Is this your
Sige, natin.
place?
Technically, 1 floor lang tayo because you have luggage.
Okay.
Ayan. Pero, usually naghahagdan ako. Gusto natin yan.
Ay, oo naman. Hagdan na.
Oo. Pero, ayun, yung di ba may hagdan sa baba? Yan lang yun. And then, this is our house.
This is parang apartment style, condo style, parang ganun ba?
Oo.
Okay. Ay, wow!
This is our house.
Blur ko na lang yung number.
Blur mo na lang yung number. Ayan na. And welcome to your home in Madrid.
Oh,
Ayan.
thank
Pasok direct. This is our space.
you.
Feel at home.
I will.
Very Asian po kami. Nagtatanggal po kami ng sapatos.
Yes.
Pati yung mga ano ko.
Once
pati yung
Asian.
mga chemical dito, sinasabi ko.
Tala.
Sabi ko, I'm Asian, so you have to remove your...
Ang cute!
Bilang pagsalubong sa iyong pagdating,
Ay, wow!
hingin kita ng Tinto de Verano.
Ano yan?
So this is somehow, di ba sa atin sangria?
Mm-mm.
Pero apparently here in Spain, Tinto de Verano ang famous sa mga lokal. So this is wine with lemon soda.
Wow. Thank
Bienvenida
you.
Madrid.
Gracias. Ano bang sasagot doon? Cheers? Gracias. Gracias.
Ano nga ba cheers? Nakalimutan ko. Salute.
Salute!
Tapos ito, dala to ni Stevo. This is a delicacy from
Who's Stevo?
Alicante. One of my friends from
Sarap.
Ateneo.
Sarap.
Yan. So, pag-order tayo, either wine, beer,
What's the name
Tinto
again?
de Verano.
Tito?
Tinto de Verano.
Tinto de Verano.
Yes.
Tinto de Verano.
Tapos, ito, very ano to, yung oatmeal bar.
Okay, sige.
Pero, delicacy daw to sa Alicante. So,
Alicante is a part of
it's a part of
Spain.
Spain.
Oh my God. Pukulamon pa naman ako sa airplane. Sa paka-immobile ko. Hi, so Mela is now going to tour me around Madrid.
Yes, we're excited. Our first destination is Sol, which is the center of Madrid. So, meron muna tayong ritual na ipapagawa kay Direct Ted sa Sol, which I ask everyone to do. Yes, oo. Kasi sabi na pag ginawa mo daw yan, babalik ka ng Madrid.
I love that.
Eh gusto kong bumalik si Direct Ted ng Madrid. Dahil dito magaganap ang season 4 ng Sparks Ka.
The Sparks in Madrid.
Yes. And ang ating next agenda is we'll bring Directed to the favorite places, hangout places of Dr. Jose Rizal.
I love it. I love it. As somebody who came from the Pitan City where Rizal was exiled for 4 years.
Ang ganda!
Ah,
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Kino, my friend. Kasi sa kanya ko natutunan tong round na to. So I give credit to where credit is due. Kino, I love you.
Okay, go. I'm rubbing you.
Okay.
Why?
Kasi dito sa Spain, lahat ng mga nag-rob sa akin at nag-wish na magka-jowa, nagka-jowa na po sila.
Ay!
8 na po sila direct. 8 na sila.
Okay.
So sabi ko, hala magiging Santa na talaga.
Santa Mela.
So
Okay.
ayan, si Beles, the mayor's office.
Wow.
Ayan. Pero apparently, ang una niyang function ay postal office.
Parang palas.
Palasyo.
Palasyo.
Sa palasyo. Mas maganda pa siya pag well-lit siya
Oo.
paggabi. So mamaya pwede nating daanan. So yun.
So this
Or
is
any time of your visit.
Thank you. So, where are we headed next?
Okay. Katabi ng Cibeles, across it, kung nanonood ka ng Money Heist, ito po ang Banco de España. Diyan po ang very first episode ng Money Heist.
Bank talaga siya?
Parang PSP, Banco Central. Central Bank.
Oh God, ang ganda.
Diba? Ang maganda dito is everything is walkable. So, kunwari, pag nagpunta na tayo ng Plaza Mayor, masasagasaan na natin lahat ng gusto mo, ng gusto mong puntahan. So, somehow, in one day, pwede mong makita yung mga iconic landmark para at least nanamnamin mo na lang yung iba mong araw. Ganun.
So, this is Metropolis, no?
Yes, there is. The iconic.
Iconic. Lahat ng mga pelikula pag Madrid.
Meron ganyan.
No, may ganyan. Establishing ng Madrid, Metropolis. Pero start siya ng Gran Via
Gran
din.
Via.
Which is the shopping district, the shopping street
Ito
of
yung
Madrid.
Rolex building.
Okay. No matter.
Bigla!
My college blockmate. Hola!
Arnold! Hey! Ella!
Arnold!
Hola! Encantada! Soy Nena! Kamusta? Muy bien. Iconico, pero... Spanish speaking, love it! So, Derek, we're passing by Ministerio de Igualdad. And this is one of the amazing things about Madrid and Spain because as a trans girl who fights for LGBT rights, there's a ministry for equality that we can go to. This is for women, for queer people, for everyone who seeks for equality. So, yan, kita-kita mo yung vibrant existence of equality.
Thank you, mother.
Sana Pilipinas din. Emmy! The most expensive hotel in Spain? Where's Zaldico? Checked in. So Zaldico, lumabas ka dyan!
For syempre may trivia ang ating local guy. Ano siya dati?
Oo.
was a former bank. I think it was BSCH or something like that, or BBB, I don't remember. And it's called Galerias Canalejas, the whole complex. And they just maintain the facade. And now it's the Four Seasons.
Ang ganda ng Spanish accent niya, no? Ang ganda, ang sexy.
Hindi na yan, wala pang boses.
Okay, so we're walking along. What's this?
This is the street
Kaya
heading.
Alcala.
Calle Alcala. Oo.
This is the longest street, no? Longest street in Madrid.
Oo.
Yes. And sa kaliwa ng Calle de Alcalá is a Four Seasons. But here is a school where all of our artists actually studied. Sila Amor Solo, Dr. Jose Rizal also studied here. Yes, Juan Luna also studied here. Ayan.
So, 1800s to.
Yeah.
What's the name of this building?
Yan ang Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Fernando, where our famous artists in the Philippines studied. Alam mo, i-trivia sa akin yung friend ko, si Kino. Sinabi niya na si Amor Solo, when he applied to be a student here, hindi siya pinasa bilang estudyante, pinasa siya bilang teacher. Oh. So, ganun daw siya kagaling.
Okay, we are in Puerta del Sol, and we're right beside El Oso y el Madroño, which is the pear, and they call it or translate it to the strawberry tree, but something like that.
Bakit?
And that's the symbol of Madrid because it's in the coat of arms, and people take a lot of pictures with it.
So, I have to take a picture of this also.
The awesome.
Ay, bakit may ganyan?
Apparently, touches the tail.
They have to touch. Why? What happens if you touch the tail and the
I have
bottom?
no idea really that, but maybe it's good luck.
Direk, i-touch mo na yung tail niya.
Pila ako.
Pipila siya.
May jump ako.
Sorry, lo siento. Direk, first time ko lang malaman yung trivia na yon.
Ang taas, mother.
Kaya mo yan, Direk. Go, go, go! I love it!
Exercise ako.
Ayan, Direk, meron ka ng good luck.
Now it's Mana's turn to jump.
Yes! Let's do it.
Ganyan.
So almost 2 years na ako dito, pero hindi ko pa ito nagagawa kasi hindi ko naman siya alam. So thanks to Arnold.
Go, mother.
Dahil dyan, magkakajowa at magkakatrabaho ako.
Go. Yes! Yes!
Para sa jowa at sa career. Ayun, directing to you, Pepe. Ayan.
It's a brand, parang San Miguel beers ata.
It's a Jerez or Sherry brand that's like the sign has always been here in Sol for the longest time. It's something iconic also in Sol.
Okay, so andito pa rin kami sa Puerta del Sol and nasa kilometer 0?
Yeah.
Uh,
0, something over
What,
here.
what does it mean?
It's where all the Spanish roads start from or are measured from. So like if you're going to any part of Spain, kilometer 0 starts here.
Ah.
Same
Parang
way
sa
that-
Philippines.
The same way that in the Philippines, it's Rizal Park.
Yes. So
Oh,
the
hindi ko
Monument
alam
of
yun.
Rizal is kilometer 0.
So this is kilometer 0. So iikot ako dito.
Yes, there.
People normally do that. They take a picture of their shoes.
Pero hindi lang shoes yung pipicturean mo direct. Iikot ka. So, clockwise and counterclockwise. So, kasalukuyan po siyang pumipila. Para makabalik sa Espanya. Para mabalikan niya kami. And counterclockwise. Yay! Babalik na siya!
Grabe na preserve nila yung architecture. Oh, para kang nasa Disneyland ng mga lumang.
Parang feeling ko it would be like Intramuros kung if Intramuros would have life.
Where are we now? This is Grand.
Yes, Grand Hotel Ingles.
Juan Luna, Felix
Resurrection.
Jose Rizal.
So this is where these artists were given the awards for the arts. Tapos nagbigay ang na-designate to give a speech was Dr. Jose Rizal. And according to my friend Kino, sabi niya na parang part of Rizal's speech was actually moving kasi sinabi niya na geniuses aren't born parang are born anywhere in the world. Parang ganon. So parang even if you're not white, whatever your race, whatever your gender, whatever you are, you can be a genius. So sinabi yun ni Dr. Jose Rizal dito sa Grand Hotel Ingles. Ang gusto kong gawin kasi apparently meron isang area dito na nandun
there's a
yung
corner.
mga ano, diba?
Like, I've seen it in vlogs, like how they would show you the corner of Rizal,
Correct.
but like I've never gone in and done it.
Ako
So
rin. Do you wanna do it?
sure.
Do you wanna do it there?
Of course! We're here na.
Halika na.
Vamanos.
So we're inside Grand Hotel Ingles. And do it like Rizal did.
So, wow! This is Rizal's Corner. Oh my God. On the 25th
On
of June,
June 1884, in the old restaurant of this hotel, the national hero Jose Rizal started publicly his work, what they call it, patriotic work, with a speech in honor of the awardees, the Filipino artist awardees, Juan Luna and Felix Resurrection Hidalgo, reflecting all the freedom, what do you call this, ansias, yearning for liberty of the country, of the people.
and this is his favorite food or the menu before.
I think it was an old menu.
Taray, yung Grand Hotel Ingles, guys. Oh.
So after Grand Hotel Ingles, where are we going, Mother?
We're now here at Viva Madrid. So ito po ang paboritong tambay ni Graciano Lopez Jaina at ni Dr. Jose Rizal.
Pepe.
In this place,
The national hero of the Philippines, Dr. Jose Rizal, would used to meet his compatriots for the elaboration of the joint activity in favor of the reforms of the freedom reforms in the Philippines.
and in Madrid with the bronze mark actually is a mark that says ayun
It's been more than 100 years.
more than 100 years tapos same look as in
Same look.
preserve siya for 100 plus years. So malapit na tayo sa ating
Yeah, so Ateneo de Madrid is not actually a university here, right? Sabi mo, Mother, it's a...
It's a place where intellectuals gather and discuss about areas of interests, whether it be politics, science, architecture. So, yun, much more of exchange of ideas. Ayan. Tapos, para makapasok ka, you have to be a member.
So para siyang, ano tawag ito, genius society. Intellectual society. That's Ateneo de Madrid, guys. So, tingnan mo. Moving on sa ating Rizal tour, where are we now? We are in
The first office of La Solidaridad dito sa Calle de Atocha.
So La Solidaridad is
the newspaper that was started by Graciano Lopez Haina and Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Parang doon nila pinag-uusapan kung ano yung reforms na gusto nila for the Philippines. At they publish it so that they can give it to the Spanish politicians, intellectuals, mga gano'n.
Isa na siyang hostel ngayon. Hostel Cervelo.
Sorry.
Nice.
So that's your mini Rizal tour directed. I hope you enjoy. To be continued dahil dadalawin pa natin ang replica sa Las Islas Filipinas. Oh, sorry. May avenida dedicated to us.
For now, where are we going next?
We're going to the Tisque Molina area for some drinks, for some vermouth, which is typical aperitivo here, or the drink before dinner or the drink before lunch, and then dinner.
Alright.
So join us.
All right.
Now,
Vloggers here! Vloggers our no.
So right now, we're going to...
we're at Plaza Tirso de Molina, and we're going to an old cafe bar where we're going to have aperitivos or vermouth before we have dinner.
Arnold has been living here for more than 20 years na.
Yeah.
So he's a local. He lives in this neighborhood, right? So this is a local recommendation.
Sorry. In Arnold we trust.
I hope they like it. It's this place.
Ay, ito. Ay, there. Karakter
Oo.
It's like a turn of the last century
Taberna.
Frenchy, like a French-inspired place.
Taberna.
Taberna Tirso de Molina.
Ang creative ah.
So meron palang painom bago dinner. Ganun pala dito. At may San Miguel.
Oh, that's the Spanish one.
The Spanish one. So there's a Spanish San Miguel.
Because the history of San Miguel is it started in the Philippines, but like the associates, they separated. I don't know if they were brothers. They separated, and one went back to Spain, and the other one continued in the Philippines. So both of them continued to develop the San Miguel brands, but one is European and one is Philippine. But both of them came from the Philippines.
Ano yung vermouth?
Vermouth del Grifo. Vermouth is like a spiced wine. And it's like something like martini. And it's the preferred drink here in Madrid to whet your appetite before a meal.
Ang tari ng wet your
appetite.
appetite.
I love it.
I love it. I love being wet.
Yes, of course.
And wetting my appetite. Oh my God, that's so sexy.
That's sweater appetite. Arriba.
Abajo. Centro.
Ah.
Did it whet your appetite?
I'm so wet. Nakakatuwa yung wet your appetite. Why there's a
This is an Asturian restaurant called La Bovia de las Letras, and it's Spanish food, Asturian food. Asturias is a region in northwest Spain. So this is on the house that came with the drinks, which is tortilla española. It's very typical for breakfast or any time of the day.
Appetizer.
Yeah, people eat it even with bread as bocadillo.
What's
For
bocadillo?
Bocadillo is like a sandwich.
Sandwich, okay.
This is called ensaladilla rusa, or it's similar to an Olivier salad. It's tuna, mayo, and veggies. These are your croquettes. Croquettes. They have bechamel inside, and this one's with squid ink. The other one is with cheese, I think, and the other one is with cecina, or it's beef ham. This is berenjena a la miel, which are eggplants placed with honey. And then this one is chorizo a la sidra, which is cooked in apple cider. The postre or the dessert is tarta de queso La Peral, which uses Asturian cheese called La Peral.
So that's our night one. Tardes, noches. Ano one?
Buenas
Night.
noches.
What's night?
Noches.
Numero
Noche.
uno.
Noche numero uno. Aquí en Madrid.
Qué bien, hablas.
Genial!
Genial.
Fenomenal.
Muchas gracias. Arnold.
De nada.
Tama to sa
Sí, sí,
ko.
sí, sí, perfecto. ¿Y a quién más? Well,
What's for para? Para is for?
Para
For showing us
por
por.
enseñarnos.
Por.
For
So for is por.
pwedeng for, pwedeng para. Pero depende sa structure.
Okay. So, magtatagalog talaga ako guys kasi yun lang yung alam ko. But yeah, I had so much fun. Grabing Madrid. Para akong nasa amusement park ng
De los peligros.
architecture ng 1800s. So yun. That's my day one. Good night.